I don't know, they feel about God.
Oh, let me your mountain knit technique for the board.
Go, big dog. Go.
Kind of looks like a ladder truck, doesn't it?
Kind
Does that
of.
thing have green wheels? Yeah, that was until we drive the servos it was attached to.
Who had these motors?
These were Ben Curry's. We were going to use them for launch, but they wouldn't spin fast enough.
They're actually the
Uh-oh.
that was in the morning.
Come on, baby. Get back on.
It'll find it.
Oh, I'm confident.
Luke guarantees it, right? You guarantee this is complete, right?
It's not going to be complete.
Either that or I'm going to tell the class, he's buying beer tonight.
Oh, come on.
I know, it's
Come
just
on, baby.
a little rise.
Come on. Go, baby.
You're using that battery, come on.
You're using your battery?
That was for aggression.
Intimidated.
Does
Intimidated,
that mean
Colin.
you're the rubber band man?
No.
Rubber band. A little humor. Come on, Colin. Lighten up. All bright now.
That'll be about 20,000 years.
I didn't say I wanted to be blind. Go, baby.
It's still moving.
Are you allowed to induce wind? Well, that was not it.
That was a little free.
Let's see what it does. We have a
Hang
premature fire here, huh?
Just hang on.
Yeah, it comes
They count too many lines?
It's going too slow.
Yeah. Probably counted every crack and thing in the floor.
We just skip the color then?
They have it line following.
Well, it's a bummer that ITS, the server, didn't work. I told that to Robbie.
Hey, you're down. Do you think it'll go back and stop?
Probably not.
Let's find out. I think that's wishful thinking.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Like, it won't be able to beat that, so it'll stop it. Stop fine right now. Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't buy that.
But the speed is interesting. What kind of PWM do you have on that loop?
Yeah, I was going to say.
Low values, though. It never goes above 100.
Above what?
100.
Wow.
Bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. That's the modification.
It's twitching.
I think the twitch is... Oh, no, maybe.
You got it.
No.
I think it gave up. Give it a kick in the butt, huh?
Well, you should have seen the lovely little wire job I had to do.
For what?
Oh, our seniors
They
LCD.
blew the LCD set.
Yeah.
We're putting green on.
Doesn't make any difference. I'm keeping time.
No, I choose colors. When I'm done, you can do whatever you want. Okay.
Dude, 1 out of 3
Done?
has to work.
You're done?
Well, it's not smooth.
God, you got to give it more tweak, man. You got to give it more tweak.
Now on it has to drive.
Yeah, but we know it's not going to stop at the end, right?
No.
No. So let's just call it a day.